Hi angels, welcome back to another resin video. In this video we're going to be using this mold again. Already used it before, but this time we're going to be making a resin arch clock with some LED lights. The mold, I believe the link in the description box down below. The flowers are from Amazon. They're just normal dry press flowers. The LED lights, they're from Amazon as well. And this pine cone I just found outside. I decided to use it. So I just put it in the resin first before I place it into the mold. And now I can start adding on in there the flowers. I think I add on in there a little bit of some color and all of that good stuff in there as well. The pink, the white. What else? Where did I go? Oh yeah, I'm trying to break apart these pink flowers because I don't want it to be long. So I added on in there the flowers. Actually, I did the flowers in the resin first before I placed it in the mold, but there wasn't a ton of resin around it. So I think everything went well. Pretty good. And then this feathery flowers. Feathery thing, I always get it whenever I order flowers. So I was like, why not add it in there? Good thing that it didn't bring a lot of bubbles. Then I add on in there some green. Ooh, at the side, I know you guys can't see it, but I had this flower sitting in the resin for some time because it collects a ton of bubbles. So while I put it in the resin, all the bubbles just seep up. I forgot all about it when I was putting down the other flowers. I couldn't really just leave it out because obviously it's going to dry. It's going to harden after 24 hours. And I was just like, let me just put it in there. Maybe you can see it, maybe not. So add on in there the lights, add on in there the resin to cover it, left it 24 hours. And then I mix up some confetti, glitter. And then this is the second layer that I'm pouring in right now. That's what I'm doing. And as the bubbles rise up, they either pop on their own or I pop it. You see some resin did not pop properly. And then I mixed up some white pigments and then some blue pigments. So I'm just going to be pouring it in there. Actually, I went with some different colors, but I don't stick to the normal colors that I usually stick with. Just pouring it all the way down in there. Perfect. Make sure that it filled all the way up to the top. That's what I was looking for. And you can see like if the white and the blue is just all just going directly into the middle. That's pretty cool. So after 24 hours of the final layer of resin to dry, now it's time now to demold it. And that little clock I also got from the website, which I will leave the link in the description box. Now I'm just trying to get it out of the mold. This was pretty easy, I should say. Once you get the top out, it just fall out completely easy. I'm just gonna pop it out. I know I'm struggling, but it's really easy to get out. Not like the other molds. And voila. I love how the mold is so shiny because I haven't used it enough yet to just wear it out. The back of it looks so cute. I love the color combination. The sides, there's no leakage, there's no crack, and the front looks so cute. I like it. So adorable. But there was one little crack at the corner, which I'm going to show you guys. Why am I taking so long to turn it around? Right there where the pine cone is. Guess there was not enough resin. And that's fine. I can always fill it up later on. You can see that there's a little bit of some bubbles in there. So it turned out. And then you have this little thing right here as well. But it's fine. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. I'm going to show you guys how it looks in the dark. I'm just going to pop in the clock hand. And voila. I still don't have any batteries in there, by the way. You can I'm gonna turn on the lights, but you guys can't actually see it, but I'm gonna turn it on in the night so you can see how it looks. Looks pretty good. A little bit. It's actually turned out pretty cute. Well, that's it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye. I still don't have any batteries for this clock. Oh Jesus.